Mixed emotions were seen across indices yesterday, where we have seen US30 specifically swinging in between a support and resistance level, as beautifully respecting the support and resistances as we have shared in my yesterday's update, while Tech 100 is the one which is precisely reversed from the resistance at 617, 630 levels, from where we have seen it reversing, and now it has come closer to 17380. On the other hand, UK 100 traded bullish, achieved 7550 plus levels, while Germany has showed a swing. So now what to expect from these four major indices, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. I'll be sharing the simple strategy to profit trading these four indices today. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, and do like, share, and comment. That's a great motivation always. Also, join the channel memberships to get the additional benefits. Let's start. First, we'll look into Germany, followed with UK, and then in the end, UK for US indices. Now, look at Germany on the daily chart. See, first of all, it was forming this flag pattern. It has given a breakout couple of days back. Since then, yesterday it has shown a swing, and today it is already forming a lower highs. Thus, we have to now wait for it to break beyond my favorite 16920 levels. And once the Germany stays above 16920, we can expect it to move towards 17,000 levels here. That will be the target. See, it is already breached these lower highs here. It is already trading above this. But at the same time, one must note right now what it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and it is getting a slight resistance there. Also, if you look at lower highs are formed, thus it needs to break beyond these resistances, and beyond 16920 we can look forward to 16940, 4050 zone, and then 17,000 is a must. Yes, it may continue on the upside. Stochastic has come to overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence here. Signs of bullishness. RSI rising. On the 4-hour charts, see, there is a greater resistance available here. With that, it is trying to retrace below 16850 levels. We can initiate a selling position. We can expect it to move towards 16800, which is indeed a great support for Germany. Stochastic looking down, MACD trying to converge crossover. See, it has seen a good rise. A crossover here can lead to bearishness. RSI looking down as well. Similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. Prices are trading with little divergence from the moving average, but yes, it is finding a good support at 16850, 840. As long as 16800 is respected, we have very good support for the DAX today. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is crossing over here for a sell. Bearish sign it is. It is divergent. It suggests that there could be bearishness. RSI looking down. Similarly, on the 2-hour chart, similar observation more or less. Thus, what I will recommend is to buy at 16920 today and sell at 16850, 840 zone. Below 16850, 840, certainly we are looking forward to 16800, 780 as the very strong support. Only below 16780, the bears will take over towards 16700 levels. Be watchful of this. A breakout on the downside should be treated with caution. On the upside, beyond 16920, we are looking forward to 16940-50 zone, and then 17,000 levels. Yes, it can continue, chances for which appears to be less today. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at UK 100. Now see, UK 100 on the daily charts trying to rise. It has already achieved the highs of the channel, 7565, 7570 zone. Yes, these are going to remain first resistance zone. It is precisely beautifully achieved the 20 and 50 period moving average, which has just crossed over. And on the upside, see, 7570, 7580, 7600. These are going to be the levels which you should watch out more with caution, as beyond 7600 the bulls will be taking over. See, UK 100 has been trading largely in this zone where the highs are now at 7640 levels, and today again it has resumed the day on a bullish note. Possibly we can see it rising more. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD trying to converge crossover for the buys. RSI rising. Coming to 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, one observation here is, yes, it has formed a good base at 7500. With that as base, it is trying to rise. First bullish candle. Then here you can see bullishness getting diminished. Thus, first it has to break beyond 7570. Then only we can initiate a buying position. A selling entry at 7540 can be taken, which was the resistance earlier. Stock moving averages trying to converge here. Signs of bullishness. Stochastic overbought. MACD bullish. RSI rising. Similar observation here on the 3-hour charts as well. Moving averages crossing over here are certainly signs of bullishness, thus making 7540 7540 and 7520, very strong support levels. Also remember, see, the rise was gradual here and it has been trading bullish. A breakout is going to bring stronger momentum. Be watchful of this. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is rising as well. And on the 2 hour charts, similar observation, look at the moving averages, trading with divergence, trading bullish. And after staying slightly sideways, it is now accelerating here on the upside. Be watchful. It can continue to rally. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy UK100 today at 7570 levels, but then you have to be very alert as long as 7600 is not taken. 7600 is going to be the key milestone. As long as 7600 is not breached, put a 10 points trailing stop loss. 76580, 590, 7600, three milestones it needs to break. Beyond 7600, very soon we are looking forward to 7640. On the downside, take a selling entry at 7540 levels. Below 7540 is where the bears will be taking over. 7520, 7500, 2 or 7500, 7510 is going to remain extremely good support. Only bearishness today is below 7500, where we can look forward to 7480, 7450 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. See what I had mentioned yesterday for Tech 100, that it can achieve lower highs and then reverse. What is that? Has precisely same has happened. Also, I have mentioned that body size is small, thus possibility of a bearishness will be there and we can see a pullback. Now what has happened today? It has already achieved lower lows and there could be a possibility of a swing from that. Means if you see Tech 100 today trading above 17430 levels, we can initiate a buying position. 17460 and 500 are the two resistances you should look for. Now remember one point, it is trying to give a breakout. The 20 period moving average is sitting far below. Thus, as long as yes, if you see it breaking below 17300, certainly we should not be thinking of going long in Nasdaq 100. Below 17300, more bearishness is going to prevail. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bullish trying to converge, RSI is overbought trying to cool down. Look at 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour chart, see bearishness getting diminished here, and this could be a reversal sign here. If you see prices staying below 17420, yes, we can initiate a buying position. Expect it to move towards 17450, 460, and then 17500 as well. Possibility exists. The stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking down, and nothing different here on the 3 hour charts, creating steps here. Now remember, on the downside, look at 17300. Very strong support is created here at 17300. And right now, if you look at it, is trying to trade in this bearish channel as well, where the bottom is somewhere here at 17300 to 80. So first thing is, one, we can sell here at 7360 levels, but with the caution that 17300 as in long as in how it is not breached, we should be trading with caution. Only below 17300 we should be treating Nasdaq 100 is bearish. There are greater supports available here. Thus, one can take a sell entry here at 17350 levels or 360 levels, but then we have to watch out with caution that as long as 17300 to 70 levels are not taken, do not treat Nasdaq 100 as bearish. Also on the upside, we can buy here at 17420 levels. Expect 17450, 460 as the first targets and then 17500 as the next targets. In between these levels, that is specifically 17350, 360 to 17420, do not initiate any position here. Only see, in fact, if you are selling at 17350, 360, be careful as we can see there are strong support available here at 17300 to 70. Be watchful of that. Take your trades accordingly. It may show a swing. Be careful. Now let's have a look at Dow charts on the daily charts. So join the mentorship batch, join the webinar series. 28th batch is commencing on 29th of January. Or else you can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for more details. Look, US30, lower highs, lower lows, beautifully respecting here, forming a good flag. On the downside, see, lows are beautifully connected, highs are beautifully connected as well. Thus, we have to wait for a breakout. Any breakout beyond 38,050 should be a sign of bullishness, where we can look forward to 38,100 plus levels. At the same time, on the downside, 37,700 is the support level here. Very strong support exists here. The divergence of the price from the moving average is sign that it can show a pullback, but right now it is waiting for the moving average to climb up. Stochastic looking down, MACD is on the verge of a crossover, bullish cross. Stochastic RSI is rising. On the 4-hour charts, US30 is showing a reversal here. First candle, we have to wait for the next candle. Any point of time now, if you see it is staying below 37,900, we can initiate a selling entry, but then 850, 800 to very, very strong support, and then 753 support levels here. Only below 750 we can expect that it is going to trade with a drop. See, it is trading in this zone. It has to give a breakout either which ways. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge. It is bearish, RSI looking down. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, bearish indication here. Lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. We have to wait for it to break out on the downside below 37,900. Certainly the bearish momentum may increase there. Be watchful. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, similar observation here, nothing different. And thus 38,000 is the level above which you can expect 38,050, 38,100 as the next targets. Coming to the hourly chart, similar observation here. Thus, considering this, I will recommend you to sell US30 only at 37,900 levels. Be careful at around 37,750, 800 zone. Very, very strong support exists there. You have to put a trailing stop loss as long as these levels are not breached. On the upside, take a buying position here at around 38,000 levels, only above 38,000, but be careful at around 38,050 levels, only above which we can treat this as bullish. Take your positions accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Do watch the next update before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.